Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the WWE 2K25 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WWE 2K25 game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, navigate towards the right until you see the extras option. Enter this page and now enter the input settings menu. Now, depending on which kind of control you are using to enter this menu, you will be taken into the appropriate controller tab. You can press the left bumper or the right bumper to switch between your controller and keyboard. Now, in order to make any change, just press the enter button to select the control that you wish to change. And now when you are prompted to press the desired key, just enter your new button that you want to set. By following this simple step, you can change your controls for all of your desired actions. And once you are done, make sure to save the changes by going into the save menu at the very end or pressing the space button on your keyboard. Once your settings have been saved, you can start your match with your chosen control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.